how to use invite code in Watcher of Realms. So once you're using the invite code over here, all you have to do is press on copy, of course, and send it to that person. They can copy that as well. And once they have an account, they can just go ahead and paste it over here. You should be able to find it here in the triple bar section in the top right corner. Once you're there, just press on the invite. You'll be unlocking this once you have finished a few levels in your campaign or pretty much have leveled up your account for a little bit. Once you're here, just press on the invite again, go to the use invite code, and then just paste in, let's say, the code your friend gave you and press an OK. In my case, I cannot affiliate with myself, unfortunately, but once you have invited 3 people, in your case, the more they level up, the more your account will get the rewards. So if your friend has reached level 10, you will get this one, level 20, and level 30, and so on, of course. Right now, you can only get these benefits for 3 friends, but that's pretty much how you can use your invite code in Watcher of Realms. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.